Hello, my friends. Greetings from Brazil. I want to take this opportunity to say how excited I am to return to India after almost 40 years. I look forward to attend the Subrata Cup, the largest young football tournament in Asia. I also wanted to say thank you to the Indian Air Force for the special invitation. They have worked very hard to support the community to grow the beautiful game. Actually, Fluminense from my country, Brazil, who won the 17-year-board division last year. India is a very special country. I remember I played in Calcutta in '77 with my team, New York Cosmos. Thank you for the invitation to be your guest and look forward to meeting the new generation of fans. See you in Delhi.